Today we see direct proportion and inverse proportion. First we see direct proportion. See in tabular form of information given: petrol x liter and distance y kilometer. Petrol x liter and distance y kilometer. Means in 1 liter petrol, car covers a distance 10 kilometer. Car covers a distance 10 kilometer. In 20 liter petrol, car covers a distance 200 kilometer. And in 40 liter petrol, car covers a distance 400 kilometers. If we simplify 1 by 10, then 20 by 200 means 0 get cancelled, 2 1 is 2, 2 10 is 20 means 1 by 10. Here again 40 by 400 means 0 cancel, 4 by 40 means 1 by 10. That is x by y equal to k, where k is constant. 1 by 10, 1 by 10 and 1 by 10 means the ratio of consumptions of petrol and the distance covered by the car is constant. Ratio of consumption of petrol and distance covered by the car is constant. Therefore, these two quantities are said to be in direct proportion or indirect variation. When two quantities means ratio of two quantities. When ratio of two quantities is constant, then that two quantities are said to be in direct proportion or in direct variation. Direct proportion or in direct variation. Because 20 liter petrol or 200 kilometer. 0 cancel, 2 by 20 means 2 1 is 2, 1 by 10. Here 40 by 400, 0 get cancelled, 4 by 40, 4 1 is 4, 4 10 is 40 means 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Therefore, the ratio of consumption of petrol and the distance covered by the car is constant. The ratio of consumption of petrol and distance covered by the car is constant. Therefore, these two quantities are said to be in direct proportion or in a direct variation. Therefore, x by y equal to k, where k is constant. Now, inverse proportion. See example: a car takes 2 hours to cover the distance 100 kilometers. A car takes 2 hours to cover the distance 100 kilometers at the speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Therefore, distance equal to speed into time. See, a car takes 2 hours to cover the distance 100 kilometer at the speed of 15 kilometer per hour. 50 kilometer per hour means 50 into 200. 50 into 200. Second, now a bullock cart takes 20 hours. A bullock cart takes 20 hours to cover the distance 100 km at the speed of 5 km per hour. At the speed of 5 km per hour. Therefore, distance equal to speed into time, means speed 5 and time 20 hours, that is 100 km. We see that the product of the speed of the vehicle and time is constant. In both cases, the product of the speed of the vehicle and time is constant. In such case, we said that quantities are in inverse proportion. Quantities are in inverse proportion or are in inverse variation. Therefore, x into y equal to constant. X into y equal to constant. X into y is equal to constant. X into y is equal to constant. Comparison of ratio. Comparison of ratio. If a, b, c and d are positive integer, if a, b, c and d are positive integer, then first, if AD is greater than BC, if AD is greater than BC, then A upon B is greater than C upon D. A upon B is greater than C upon D. If AD is less than BC, if AD is less than BC, then A upon B is less than C upon D. A upon B is less than C upon D. And third, if AD is equal to BC, if AD is equal to BC, then A upon B is equal to C upon D. A upon B is equal to C upon D. Example, 4 by 9 and 7 by 8. 4 by 9 and 7 by 8. Here 4 into 8, 32, and 7 into 9, 63. Now 32 and 63. Which is greater? 32 is less than 63. 32 is less than 63. Therefore, 4 by 9 is less than 7 by 8. 4 by 9 is less than 7 by 8. Second example, root 5 by 3 and 3 by root 7. 3 by root 7. Root 5 into root 7 means 5 into 7 root 35, and 3 into 3, that is 9. 9 is square root of 9 square, that is 81. Therefore, root 35 and root 81. Root 81 is greater. Therefore, root 5 by 3 is less than 3 by root 7. Is less than 3 by root 7.